So everyone here has been set a brief, which was issued to them a few months back, and then we've had to come up with a design to match a set of specifications. We've got size limits, we've got weight limits, materials, what we can use, what we can't. The opportunity is great, the training's really good, and at the end of the day you're getting good experience, looks good on a CV for potential jobs in the future. Everything goes for you, so well worth doing.
So events like this are great for young people. I wish that when I was younger there were events like this kind of give you an idea of what's going to in your career, inspire you for your future, really enjoy what you want to do as a career as opposed to just going into a job, and you can really benefit from coming and speaking to people who are in them jobs.
I feel like regardless of what happens, like I've developed my skills in machining and using different software and using different machines, and yeah, just meeting different experts in the field. And I mean, you've got nothing to lose. All you've got is to win, you know, to profit off of it. All the experience you get, the people you meet, contacts you can make in the future to further your career. And whatever happens, you are going to further whatever career you choose.
It gives you so much confidence, it gives you a chance to meet so many amazing people who are also passionate about the same thing as you are, and just connections, so many different connections that you take away from it to open so many doors for your career path.
It just helps you pursue it so much further than you would just through college alone. It helps you bring your skills up to a higher level, and it just helps to develop your confidence as a therapist as well. And it just gives you reassurance that you are as good as you want to be.
I think events like this are important for young people, so it gets them known in industry, you don't know who's going to be here, so someone from the industry high up can recognise you, and then it gets your name out there. It's a good start, good stepping stone to starting your career.
It pushes you to kind of go further than you ever would before. I mean, I can't imagine me doing this sitting in my bedroom at home, do you know what I mean? So it gives you an excuse to just be super creative, and if you put in the work, it pays off. I mean, I've got this amazing piece now that I can show off and add to my portfolio, and yeah, I would definitely say go for it.